Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the sociological explanation of Max Weber's perspective on religion, what he believed, why it matters, and how it helps us understand society today. Max Weber was a German sociologist who viewed religion as a social force for change. He studied how religious beliefs influence social and economic trends. In his book titled The Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism, published in 1905, Weber argued that Protestant religious values helped shape capitalism during the industrialization of society. One of the early branches of Protestantism was Calvinism. Significant part of the Calvinist religion was the belief in predestiny. Calvinists believed that God had already chosen who will go to heaven, but success in life might be a sign of being one of the chosen ones. Weber explained that Calvinists emphasized that hard work and financial success were favored by God, and it was a way to serve God. These beliefs became a self-fulfilling prophecy as people started to invest and save money, and their financial success led capitalism to flourish. Protestants were persecuted by the Catholic Church in Europe and brought their beliefs to the New World, which became the foundation of the core American cultural values such as individualism, achievement, and financial success. Weber referred to this as the Protestant Ethic and the spirit of capitalism, and believed that these religious beliefs fueled the growth of capitalism in countries like England, Germany, and the United States. In southern parts of Europe, where Catholicism remained the dominant religion, capitalism did not take off as readily. Weber argued that this religious mindset shifted people's attitudes toward work and money. In medieval Europe, wealth was often seen as sinful, and people were expected to donate money to the church. Protestants, especially Calvinists, believed that economic success was a sign of divine favor, which made people more motivated to work hard and build wealth. Instead of spending money lavishly, Protestants reinvested it, and this led to business expansion, innovation, economic growth, and capitalism. Over time, these religious beliefs turned into cultural values and norms about work and success, even in non-religious societies. The idea of working hard, being disciplined, and reinvesting profits became a cultural norm. Even today, especially in the United States, many societies value hard work and financial success, whether religion is involved. While critics of Weber's Protestant ethic point out that other social trends also influence the growth of capitalism, and not all countries with capitalist economies practice Protestantism, his ideas about the influence of religion are widely accepted by sociologists. Weber's Protestant ethic gives us an understanding of the history of some of the core values in American society. When you feel guilty about not working to your full potential, it might be useful for you to keep in mind that this guilt might have originated from deeply rooted cultural values, like the Protestant work ethic, that equate constant productivity with moral worth rather than from any personal failing. And that makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.